Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be at the park, just looking at the birds, just staring at the birds in the park. You can see these birds are very cool. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. So as you can see here, we've got some cool birds, different colors. This is just all in a park called Roundwood Park. It's a very clean park, and there's not like many people in this park because of COVID. And yeah, because because of COVID, people don't like to go out just in case they catch the virus or any other bacteria or any virus in general. But it's sometimes nice to come out here in the park. You can see these birds, very cool. You can just admire them, their life, how they live. And yeah, I'm not saying you should go out every single time, but sometimes it's kind of nice if you just go out for some fresh air. If you're not feeling too well at home. So yeah.